Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So today we're diving into how to fix Google Play gift card need more information error. So this error is on Google Play and it means that Google's system needs extra details to verify your gift card. Here's how to fix it quickly and effectively. Firstly guys, you need to check the gift card balance. You need to visit the Google Play, which I have here. And in your account, you need to enter your gift card code to confirm the balance is intact. If the full amount shows, the card hasn't been redeemed. This rules out issues like prior use or scams. After that, step number 2 is going to be verifying card details and account. Ensure no typos, spaces or dashes is in the code. Your Google account's country must match the card's purchase country, for example US card for US account. If traveling, wait until you're back home. Sign into the correct Google account used for redemption. So go to Google Play, Profile, Payments and Subscriptions, Payments Method to confirm. So I'll show you that. So in here you will have your subscriptions. If you want to troubleshoot common issues, if purchased in store, return with receipt to confirm activation. Check for a expiration date. Expired cards can't be redeemed. Clear Google Play app cache if you're using a phone. After that, for emailed codes, copy and paste the code directly instead of using the email link. And that's pretty much it, my friends. Hopefully this helps you out and you will get this issue fixed. Also, you can refer to this official tutorial by the Google support if you need more help. As you can see, we have common problems, invalid, and just like I said, incorrect code input, already redeemed, a balance limit reached. Yeah, all of this stuff can be seen here if you want to read it by yourself. Guys, enjoy the video, like and subscribe. See you in the next one.